Jai Hind everyone. My today's topic for lecturate is tourism in India. The tourism sector in India is a significant contributor to the country's GDP, generating 4.6% of its GDP. The sector is experiencing robust growth and is expected to grow over 20% annually in the next 5 years. The tourism sectors have generated 14.02 lakh crores, which is around 170 billion US dollars in 2016. It generated 40.343 million jobs, which accounts for 9.3% of total employment, and is expected to generate 33.8 lakh crores, which is around 400 billion dollars by 2031. India offers various tourism experience to the tourist, including spiritual tourism, cultural and heritage tourism, sports tourism, medical tourism, ecotourism, and various others. There were various initiatives taken by Indian government and the Ministry of Tourism to increase the tourism in the country. They developed various infrastructure and promoted tourism by various schemes such as Swadesh Darshan, under which 75 projects were approved, worth rupees 5,287 crores. Then there is Swadesh Darshan 2.0, which focused on sustainable tourism, and there were 36 projects approved under it, worth rupees 793 crores. And there is Chalo India scheme. Which offered 1 lakh free e-visas to the citizens. And there were various partnerships which were made between the hospitality chains and the Central Institute of Hotel Management in 2024 by the tourism industry. And the hospitality chains were ICGH, which were Indian Hotel Company Limited, the IHG Hotels, Merit International, and Lalit Suri Hospitality Group. The partnership aimed to improve the engagement of students, the enhancement of faculty skills, the increase in opportunity for the students, and industry exposure. In conclusion, I would like to say that the government and Ministry of Tourism should introduce more schemes and also develop the sector to attract more tourism and make India a tourist center of tourist attraction. Thank you.
Good.